Now students, next concept, different types of numbers. Different types of numbers. In the first we are going to discuss about odd and even numbers. In the second we are going to discuss prime and composite numbers. These numbers are very most important. Just remember, so what are even numbers and what are odd numbers, and what about prime numbers and composite numbers. First, here odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? The numbers which are not divided by 2 are called odd numbers. The definition: the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers, or otherwise, if any number when we divide with 2 leaves remainder 1, then such numbers are odd numbers. The second definition. So, when the number is divisible by 2 leaves remainder 1, then that numbers are odd numbers. In simple, the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Even numbers. What are the even numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 2 are even numbers, or even numbers. Okay. So, it means, so when we divide with 2 leaves remainder 0, so that type of numbers are even numbers. Then what about even numbers and odd numbers? See here, odd numbers. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are the single digit odd numbers, odd numbers. So then in double digit, how? So we know that either the number is even number or odd number. If double digit number is there, triple digit number is there, and 4 digit number is there, 5 digit number is there, 6 digit number is there. So in that case, how? So we decide the number is even or odd. In unit place, if the number is odd, the number is odd. Like suppose if 2 digit number 25, 37, 99. So this type of numbers there. So in ones place we have to check what is there in ones place. Ones place 5 is there. Here in ones place 7 is there. In ones place 9 is there. 5, 7, 9. These 5, 7, 9 are the odd numbers. So these numbers are odd numbers. So first we have to check what is there in unit place, means in ones place. In ones place, if odd number is there, then the number is odd number. Okay. So simple we have to check either it is a 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, whatever it is. Just you have to check what is there in unit place. If in unit place odd number is there, then that means the number is odd. Suppose if 35,901 is given. So this is a 5 digit number. How many digits we have? 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is this? This is even number or odd number? So just we have to see what is there in ones place. In ones place 1 is there. So 1 means 1 is odd number. So this 5 digit number is also odd number. That's it. Only the condition. First, what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These 5 numbers are odd numbers. If these 5 numbers are single digit odd numbers. In 2 digits and 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, if the numbers are given, then how to find whether the given number is odd number or even number? Just by seeing ones place. If in ones place odd number is there, then the number is odd. Okay, that's it. Okay. Now even numbers. What are even numbers? Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. So these are the single digit even numbers. So these numbers are exactly divisible by 2. These numbers are exactly divisible by 2. These numbers are not divisible by 2. So that is why these are odd numbers. These numbers are divisible by 2. So these are even numbers. Why? 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, like this. Then what about 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, 6 digits? Then how to find whether the number is even or odd? Same. So what are the process? Like 3, 8, 9, 7, 6. This is our 5 digit number. if I ask what, so either this number is even number or odd number, just you see what is there in ones place. In ones place 6 is there, 6 means it is even number. So, this complete 5 digit number is even number. Only we have to check what is there in ones place. If ones place, in ones place even number is there, then that number is even. If in ones place odd number is there, then the number is odd. This is the difference between even and odd number. Then how to check? So, whether the given number, either it is a 2 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit number, 5 digit number. How to check the number is a even or odd? By checking ones place. What is there in ones place? In ones place, if even is there, then the number is even. In ones place, if 0 is there, then that is even, so the number is even. If in ones place odd number is there, then the number is odd. That is it, simple theory. So, even number definition, the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Odd numbers, the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Or otherwise, one more definition, when we divide with 2 a given number, whatever the number, given number, when we divide with 2 leaves remainder 1, that numbers are called odd numbers. Okay. Now, this concept is clear, odd number and even numbers. Now, what is prime and composite numbers? What is mean by prime numbers and composite numbers? Here, this is the most important. So, prime numbers, about prime numbers and composite numbers. In prime numbers they have only 2 factors. So, what are the factors? 1 and itself. A number which is having 1 and itself as a factor, then that numbers are prime numbers. Example, see here 5. So, what is factors of 5? 1 5s are 5. No other factors we have. No other factors. What are the factors? 1 and 5. Only we have 2 factors. One is 1, other one is the number itself. If a number is having only 2 factors, so what factors? 1 and itself. The numbers which are having 1 and itself as a factors, that numbers are prime numbers. Composite numbers, the numbers having more than 2 factors, more than 2 factors. For example, 4. So, 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Then what are the factors? Like in U shape, 1 2 4. Here we have 3 factors, more than 2 factors we have. So, it is composite number. So, 1 and itself, 1 and itself is a factor, and again one more factor is there, that is 2. So, it means this one is a composite number. In prime number we have only 2 factors. So, that factors are 1 and itself. The number which is having 1 and itself as a factor, then that number is a prime number. Then composite number, if a number is having more than 2 factors, more than 2 factors means 1 and itself is there and more factors were there. So, then that type of numbers are composite number. This is the difference between prime number and composite number. Prime number, in prime number, so they have only 2 factors. Prime numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, no other factor. Like 13. If I take 13, 1 13s are 13. In no other table this 13 will come. Only in one table and in the 13 table it will come. So, that 13 is having only 2 factors, 1 and 13. 1 and itself as a factor. So, this 13 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. So, these type of numbers are prime numbers. Composite numbers, the numbers which are having more than 2 factors, more than 2 factors. That type of numbers are called composite numbers. Okay. 4 numbers, about 4 numbers we discuss. So, what? One is odd number, the other one is even number, the other one is prime number, another one is composite number. About these 4 numbers we discuss, and so these 4 numbers you have to remember. You have to remember what about even numbers and what about odd numbers, what about prime numbers and what about composite numbers. Okay. These 4 concepts, very very important concepts about in numbers. So, remember this. Okay. Now, students, next concept, prime factorization method. So, whatever the given number is there, that number we have to write in prime factorization method. How to write given number into prime factorization method? See here. So, different ways, different means using a tree diagram. So, we can represent the given number into prime factorization. How? See here 16, first you take 16, here 16 is there. First this 16 you have to split into product of two numbers, whatever that is your wish. First I want to take a prime number. So, product of prime number first. So, this 16 is divisible by 2, 2 8s are 16, then this 2 8s are 16. 2 is a prime number, 2 is an even number as well as prime number. So, in even numbers, all even numbers are composite numbers, all even numbers are composite number except 2. 2 is a even number as well as prime number, So, this is prime number. So, we cannot split this again. Now, 8. So, we have to split this 8 again. How? 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 2 is an even number, again we can't split this 2. So, then we have to split this 4, product of two numbers. How? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Okay. So, in this way we have to split 16. So, then how to take? So, this we have to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 like this. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. In this way we have to write using tree diagram like branches. So, if it is difficult to do, so then one more method is there for this. So, by using prime factorization method, 16, how can we take this 16? 4 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Again, so we have to split this 4, 2 2s are 4, this 4, split again this, 2 2s are 4. So, this is the final. So, these two 4 2s were there. So, we cannot split this one. So, this is the final answer. Then 16, how can we do this 16? How can we write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So, this is our prime factorization. All these numbers are prime numbers. So, we are taking this 16 as a product of prime numbers, In this way we have to do. So, two different ways we did. So, first with 2, again with 2, again with 2. Here 4 into 4. So, then again 4. So, we have to split into product of two numbers. So, finally, we have to make split and split and split. So, at the last we will get prime numbers. So, till there we have to stop. Okay. Then in 56 also. So, prime factorization method. So, how to do, that is your wish. So, whatever method you want to choose, that is your wish. Then 56, where the 56 will come? 7 8s are 56. Then again this 7, so we cannot split this 7. Why? This is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, but this 8 we can split this 8. How? 2 4s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 8 we have to split, 2 4s are. Again this 2 we cannot split, so but we can split 4 product of as a product of two numbers like 2 2s are 2 2s are. Now these two we cannot split and these two also we cannot split. Then now we have to write 56 as a product of two numbers, 7 into 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you want to check your product, 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are 56. This you will get. Or otherwise one more method is there, 56. How to do this 56? First you check in 2 table, 2 28s are 2 28s are 56. Again this 2 is a prime number, we cannot split. So, now we split this 28, 2 14s are So again this 2 we cannot split, so then we split this 14. How? 2 sevens are 2 sevens are. So after that these 2 we cannot split and this 7 also we cannot split. So then now we have to write 56 as a product of prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 in this way. So as many method so you can do, then you do that. Okay. So methods, more methods we have, but at the final we will get the same result only. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, whatever it is. If order of the multiplicand will change, answer will never change, that we did. Here 7 is first, no sir, here 7 is last, no, nothing will happen. Okay. 7 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, so the same answer only. Okay. So this, in this way we have to do. Here I showed so 2 methods, so more methods are there, so that is your wish. If you want to do so in another method, then you can do. Okay. Now students, this exercise based on our numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, composite numbers, prime numbers. In first exercise, see here, so write the even numbers between 1 and 10. So we discuss. So what about a single digit even numbers? So 2 is a even number, 2 is an even number, and after that 4, after that 6 and 8. So we have to write in between 1 and 10, 1 and 10. 1 and 10, 2 is an even number, 4 is an even number, 6 is an even number, and 8 is an even number. In between we have to take. So here write even numbers between 21 to 35, 21 to 35. Here what is there in 1's place? 1 is there. 1 means 1 is an odd number, means 22. 22 is even number, 2 is even number. After that take one gap and after that you take 24. 24 again, 26 again, 28 again, 30, after that 32 and 34. These are even numbers between 21 to 35, that is 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. So first we have to check unit place. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, like this we have to take. In unit place, if a number is even, the number is even. So in that way we have to write even numbers. Then here in between 49 to 70 we have to write even numbers. 49 is an odd number. Why? Because in unit place 9 is there. 9 is odd number. 9 is odd number. So very next number is even number. 50 means 0 is even number. 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, then 60, 62, then 64, then 66 and 68. These all are even numbers. 0 to, what is there in unit place? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In this way we have to take even numbers and odd numbers. So, okay. So between, so here, so in this he is asking odd numbers, in between 2 and 5. 2 means 3 is odd number. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Then after that 15 will come. So we have to take one gap between. So then we will get even odd numbers. In even numbers also same, in odd number also same. So one gap is there in between. So 3, then one gap 5, then one gap 7, then one gap 9, then one gap 11, one gap 13. Okay. Now here 20 to 40 odd numbers. 20 is even number, then 21 is odd number. 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, then 31, 33, 35, 37 and 39. These are odd numbers. Here 69 to 85. 69 is already odd number, 70 even number, then 71 is odd number, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, then 81, 83, 80, 83 only. After that 85, 85 already there, then that is odd number. So, we have to write between numbers only. So, do not include these two numbers, okay. Do not include those numbers, given numbers, only we have to write between. So, between he is asking odd numbers between. So, between means we have to write between numbers only, okay. Now, the next, encircle the even numbers and tick the odd numbers. Here some numbers are given in these three questions. So, we have to circle even numbers and tick odd numbers. First, do one thing, first you circle even numbers. 2 is even number, circle it, and 19 is odd number, tick it. 31, 1 is odd number, so tick it. 14, 4 in unit place, even number, circle it, even number circle. 48, 8 is in units place, so even number. Then 61, 1 is odd number, so tick it. Next, in second question, 16, 6 is in units place, even number, so circle it. 1 here, so odd number. 5 here, odd number. 0 here, even number. 5 odd number. 4 even number. 7 odd number. Just we have to check, we have to see what is there in unit place. So, on that base you have to decide even or odd, okay. 3 odd number, 0 even number, 9 odd number, 5 odd number, 6 even number, 8 even number, okay. Only ones place, what is there in ones place, check, and so if even is there then circle it, and odd is there then make a tick mark, okay. So, in this way we have to decide even numbers and odd numbers, okay. Next bit, so in the do as directed, means whatever he is asking, so that we have to do. In the first question, what he is asking, write the first 6 2 digit, how many 2 digit even numbers. 2 digit number starts from 10, 10 is even number, why, because 0 is there in unit place, after that leave one gap and 12, then after that 14, after that 16, and after that 86, no, 18 also we have to write, and 20, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So, these are the 2 digit first 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, first 6 2 digit even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 will come in unit place. If in first we have to see in unit place, first of all, first he is asking, what he is asking, 2 digit numbers. 2 digit number starts from 10, 9 after 10, 10 is the smallest 2 digit number, from there we have to check. 10 is even number, means we have to take 10 also, 10, and after that which one is even number, we have to skip 1 and we have to take 12, after that we have to skip 1 and 14, skip 1 16, skip 1 18, skip 1 20. These are the first 6 2 digit even numbers, okay. Now, write the 2 digit greatest even number. 2 digit greatest number is 99, 99 is the greatest number, 2 digit number. In that he is asking even number, 99 is an odd number, why, because in 99 9 is there in unit place, 9 is odd, so that is why 99 is odd. So, we have to take one less, that is 98. 98 is a 2 digit number and also even number, 8 is there in ones place, so it is even number. 98 is a greatest 2 digit even number, okay. Now, encircle the composite number. So, here, so you should have an idea about even number and odd number. So, what is even number? Composite number, sorry, here encircle the composite number. Composite number means the numbers which are having more than 2 factors, this you keep in your mind. So, okay, whenever we are going to do composite numbers, prime numbers, you have to keep this in your mind, okay. Here 2 2 is divisible by 1 and itself. So, this is prime number. 9. 9 will get in 3 table, 3 3s are 9. So we have to circle this. And 6 will get in 2 table even number. So this is composite number. This is prime number. 3 is divisible by only 1 and itself. So that is prime number. 4. It will come in 2 table, 2 2s are 4. This is composite number. 8 also, 2 4s are 8. In 2 table also it will come. So these are composite numbers. So in this way you have to check in any other table it will come. So that means they are composite numbers. Otherwise they are not composite numbers. 16, it will come in 4 table, 4 4s are. So it is composite number. 19 will not come in any other table. 1 19s are 19, 19 1s are 19. So no other table it will come. So this is prime number, don't circle it. 21, 3 7s are in other table also it is coming. So this is composite number. 25, 5 5s are 25 is there. So it is composite number. 36, 6 6s are 36. And here 39, 13 3s are 39, 13 table also it will come. So like this we have to check and we have to encircle it. 8, 4 2s are 8, in other table also it is coming. So it is composite. 17, 1 17s are 17, 17 1s are 17. In no other table it will come. So 17 is a prime number. 31 is also prime number. 1 31s are 31 1s are. So no other table it will come. 45, 15 3s are, in 15 table also it will come. Here 2 8s are, in 2 table it will come. So like this we have to check and we have to encircle the composite numbers. Composite numbers means other than one table we have to check. Other than one table also it will come. So then you encircle it. Otherwise no need to encircle that one. So that is prime number. Okay. Here encircle the prime numbers here. Prime numbers. 5 is a prime number. It will come in one table only. 1 5s are 5, 5 1s are 5. 4 is not a prime number. Why? Because in 2 table 2 2s are it will come. 9, it is not a prime number. 2 2s are, 3 3s are 9. So it is not a prime number. 10, it is not a prime. 10, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. It will come in 5 table. So it is not a prime number. 2, 1 2s are 2. 2 is even number as well as prime number. We discussed that one. Even as well as prime number. So what is the number? Which one is the even as well as a prime number? 2. 2 is an even number as well as that is a prime number also. No other even numbers are prime numbers except 2. Now 11. 11 is a prime number. 1 11s are 11 1s are. No other table it will come. 13. 1 13s are 13 1s are. No other table it will come. 15. 3 5s are 15 it will come. Don't take. Here 2 9s are 18 it will come. 19 it will come 1 19s only. So now 41. 41 also 1 41s are 41. No other table it will come. 60. 2 30s are 60. In other table also it will come. 71. So it is a prime number. 9 9s are 81. It will come in other table. 43. So it will come 1 43s are 43 only. So in this way we have to circle the prime numbers. Prime numbers. Here we have to circle the composite numbers. Here we have to circle prime numbers. Now, so write the prime factors. Prime factors we have to, so write breaking down. So first 35. How to take this 35? 5 7s are 5 7s are 35. So any possibility is there to break this 5? No. Why? Because this 5 is a prime number. 7. Any possibility is there to break this 7? 7 is also prime number. No other possibility. These two are prime numbers only. So how to take this 35? 5 into 7. Product of these two prime numbers. Now 96. How to break this 96? 96. Then 12 8s are 96. So then again break this 12. How? 4 3s are 3 4s are 4 3s are. Again break this 8. That is 4 2s are 4 2s are. So these two are prime numbers. Now you break this 4, 2 2s are. Break this 4, 2 2s are. Then 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 96 means how to break as a prime factors? 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So once you multiply this, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12, 12 till here 12, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 12 8 is 96, 12 8 is 96. In this way we have to break and we have to write. So one more question is there. So in this, so you have to do, you have to know one more question, only 2 questions were given. So these 2 questions enough, okay.